Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are staying at a beautiful resort right by the Kandalama Reservoir, Amaya Lake Dambulla. This is the entrance to the hotel. The reception area is on the left. And this is the lobby area. The ambience of this hotel is very calming, and if you are a nature lover, you will definitely love this resort. This is a panoramic view from the lobby where you can see the main pool and how the hotel blends easily with the lush greenery surroundings. While checking in, they specifically asked us to keep our doors locked because there were a lot of monkeys and small insects could get in if we left the rooms open. This resort is so huge, rooms are scattered over a wide area. And after checking in process, we got on a buggy to go to our room. You can see a green, peaceful, clean surrounding area and it is well maintained. The rooms are built in a way that gives you a lot of privacy. So we got a superior room and let's have a look at the room. The rooms has mostly wooden furniture and a low light ambience, maybe something that comes from nature because it is built in green surroundings. So now let's go and explore the hotel. Here we are heading to the signature pool, which is an infinity pool. There is a bar area as well, so you can spend some relaxing time here. The specialty here is that you can also see a beautiful view of the Kandalama Lake. And this pool is only available for signature room category and above. As you see, if you love nature, this resort is perfect for you. You can take long relaxing walks and connect with the nature and enjoy its peaceful beauty.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't
They have built tree houses in some areas where you can climb and look around.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be
This is the tennis court, and right next to it you have the children's play area. This is the Ayurveda spine. Here you can get Ayurvedic treatments. So this is the main pole. It's right by the reception. It has a pool bar as well. They have a Jolly's ice cream cart at the main restaurant as well, so you can buy various flavors from the cart. So after exploring the hotel, we headed to Infinity pool for some relaxing time and a swim. So it's almost dinner time. Let's go for dinner. There were many live action stations and food was very delicious. The restaurant area is an open area with no air condition. So it was kind of hot and we noticed a few flying bugs at night attract to the light. But the atmosphere was really good and we enjoy our food anyway.
Godspeed to the city streets.
In the morning, we went to the reservoir to enjoy the beautiful nature. It was very beautiful and refreshing.
Tall buildings, as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from.
Now let's go for breakfast. This is the main restaurant.
Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
For breakfast, they had a great variety from Western to Sri Lankan food, and the food was delicious.
Two hearts running wild. The best we ever had, and we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. Running wild, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running
The hotel was very spacious and peaceful, so after breakfast and some rest, we went back to enjoy the wonderful view of the lakeside before heading home. Now it's time for us to go back, and this hotel is quite an old hotel built with the real natural atmosphere. Overall, we had a great experience, and thank you for joining us. And don't forget to subscribe us for our upcoming travel vlogs.